Imagine someone offered you a way to buy anything today and worry about the bill next month. Sounds amazing, right? That's exactly why credit cards are so powerful. And it's also why millions of people end up spending more money than they planned. When you pay with cash, something interesting happens. You physically see the money leaving your hand. Your brain immediately recognizes the loss. Psychologists call this the pain of paying. But credit cards change the experience completely. Instead of handing over money, you simply tap a card. A few seconds later, you walk away with your purchase. The product is yours, but the payment comes later. Sometimes weeks later. That small delay changes how your brain processes the purchase. The reward happens now. The cost happens later. Imagine two people walking into a store. Both buy the exact same pair of shoes. The first person pays with cash. They immediately feel the loss of their money. The second person uses a credit card. They leave the store with the shoes, but without feeling the same financial pain. The purchase feels smaller, even though both people spent exactly the same amount. In other words, your brain separates the pleasure of buying from the pain of paying. And that's exactly why people often spend more when using credit cards. Businesses understand this very well. The easier it feels to spend money, the more likely customers are to buy something. And the more customers buy, the more businesses earn. Credit card companies benefit too. Every time you use a card, merchants often pay a small transaction fee. And if someone carries a balance and pays interest, the card company can earn even more. That's why credit cards are promoted so heavily around the world. They create convenience for customers while generating revenue for businesses and banks. Now, credit cards aren't evil. In fact, when used responsibly, they can be incredibly useful. They offer convenience, rewards, fraud protection, and they can even help build your credit history. The real danger is forgetting one simple fact. Delayed payment is still payment. A credit card doesn't make things cheaper. It simply makes spending feel easier.
And once you understand that psychological trick, you become much more aware of where your money is actually going. So the next time you tap your card, remember this. The purchase feels free today, but your future self is the one paying for it.